Sorry for the audio, but here's a little glimpse of what's to come. I'm standing where there usually is a street. There's usually a street right here, right before the boat. You can see where it starts to come back. These guys are lucky, but some people are already getting water in their house. Tough to see, but it's fucking fun. Yeah, I can't get down there or it would slide out. Yeah, it doesn't look good.
The threat is in the warning, and this is a considerable threat, so it's a pretty heightened risk. Eyewall is now in St. Pete. Look at this, Pinellas Point. My goodness.
That's scary. This right here is our neighborhood island right here. That's our house right there.
Rates could go in southern portions here of St. Petersburg.
Try to gauge by seeing the line of the lines on the road. I don't want to push too much up under the skirt. Damn. fine. All right, here we go. Hopefully last one. Ready? I hit it too hard, but I want to have enough momentum. If I need to, I'll go up there.
Yeah.
But it's actually shallower than the last piece. Okay. Woo! Look at this. Love these type of trees, but boy, they get big, and when they fall, they are massive. Palm trees here. I think I count eight in a row. Down. Just resting on the fence down there. How you doing?
Oh, good.
What are you doing? Just cleaning up, huh?
Cleaning it up.
And what do you do? I mean, you're how old are you?
How old I am?
Yeah.
82.
82.
Yeah.
You still got to come out, huh, and clean up all these heavy branches. And
Right,
you're
yeah,
one of the lucky ones. Looks like you don't have as many as some of the neighbors, too.
No, I don't. This is it.
But it's still back-breaking, huh?
Yeah, it's back breaking. Yeah.
Yeah, well, you have a beautiful yard, sir.
Oh, thank you.
All right, have a good one.
Yeah.
Some bananas sitting on that right there. Good girl.